To replace the beak on the Furby, I skinned him entirely and cut the old beak with scissors and peeled it off. I have a replacement beak from Etsy that I got. I realized it's a lot easier to put the beak on if you flip it inside out. Stick the tongue in the mouth and then fold the rest of the beak over the top. I didn't need to secure the beak in any other way because the silicone was still a bit tacky and it seemed to stick really well. Next, I'll replace the fur on the Furby, starting by putting the clips in the ears, folding the fur right side out just enough to where I can still fit my hand underneath it to put the top of the head flap inside of its little slit for the fur. Now that that's done, I'll pull the fur down all of the way, put the clips back in place, and put his feet back on. And now this little guy is good to go. Yes!